shelter-in-place warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of local emergency management, relayed by the National Weather Service. At 8 p.m., reports of deaths came in that were caused by large hailstones falling and landing on victims. These hailstones are around 3 inches in diameter and are of unknown origin. These hailstones weigh a lot, and can kill if one lands on the human body. Citizens are advised to shelter in place immediately. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Close and lock all windows and doors. Stay away from windows. Turn off mains, gas and electricity, in order to prevent fires. Do not go outside, or you will face certain death. If you are injured, or if there is destruction of property, call 911. If the situation worsens, mandatory evacuations may be necessary. In case of mandatory evacuation, gather enough food and water to last at least 1 week, as well as a battery-powered radio with spare batteries. Do not exit your shelter until the all clear is given. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.